Yo, what's up everybody, my name is Tyler Potts and this is just for the intro of YouTube, so if anyone's watching this on YouTube, welcome to my game dev talk show sort of thing. I don't know what I'm doing here, I just want to talk about game development while I have a chance at my lunch break, so that's what we're going to do today. So, without further ado, let's get started. I'm just going to share this out to a few different places, and let's just quickly hit this one. Let's move this, let's quickly go to Twitter, just say... live on the game dev channel. Boom, tweedledee, tweedledum. Nice. Discord. Live. Hey, here I'm currently live. Wait, oh no, wait, the thumbnail. The thumbnail is completely wrong. Change. The thumbnail needs to be changed. Let's open up this. Let's quickly go to here. Quick. Yo, what's up everybody? Just fire away any questions you have. I'm just quickly setting up a couple of things I messed up with something, thumbnail. But I'll be back in a second. Delete all that. What did I name this thing? I hope it wasn't something dumb. Tyler, no, let's just call it Muddy Wolf. Muddy Wolf Game Dev Talk Show. Save. Game Dev Talks. Center, make it a lot bigger, bring it there, and let's just grab this because I like this, what I created. Bloop, 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 bloop. And grab all of that. And click that. Center, nope, group, center. There we go, just thumbnail, just exporting now. Sorry, please bear with me. Yo, what's up Rubri, what's up Coco, what's up BB, what's up Jimmy? How's it all going people? I accidentally messed up the thumbnail. I'm just fixing that, I apologise. Thumbnail, thumbnail done? Thumbnail done? I think so. Can we go back? Ooh, brightness. Yeah, 7 people up in here. What's up everybody? Say hello. Just fire away any questions you have. I'm just updating the thumbnail now because, you know, I did a dumb. That's fine. This is just a quick thumbnail. I'll update it later. Save. Boom. There we go. I think we're good. I think we are. Yo, why is the room pink? Sorry. Are we going green or are we going orange or are we going just white? Tell me what colour you want. I liked purple. So that's why I'm going purple. You have great tutorials. Thank you, Blue TC14. I got there in the end. So, how is everybody doing, guys? What sort of things are you guys working on? Any games you're working on? I'm not working on many games at the minute. I'm actually working on a singular game that has only been started for about 5 minutes. So, yeah, it's not anything started yet. Okie doke. By the way, is the audio quality good? I hope it is. I'm just going to do these like I do my other channels ones, where you guys can fire questions at me, and I will answer them as best as I can, and then we can discuss any topics you guys want to talk about. Working on a 2D platformer to try basic stuff out. That's awesome, Sunny Man. And if you do manage to get a complete one, tweet it at me. Twitter is in the description. I stopped working on games for a while. Yeah, so did I, to be fair. I got a little burnt out, but I'm back. I'm back, baby. I'm going to be doing the next top-down RPG tutorial. Top-down RPG, 2D top-down RPG enemy thing. That was the last one we did. Hopefully in a few days. It was supposed to come out yesterday, but I am behind. We won't talk about that. But yeah. Currently learning to edit videos for the first time. That's awesome, Sonny. I been doing a lot of video editing too myself. Actually, One Ball Sport, as he just puts 2 fire emojis. What's up, dude? I'm actually editing a trailer for him at the minute, so I'm just doing a little bit of... I'm teaching myself some new tricks to make some really cool edits. So hopefully that comes out cool. What game are you most proud of? Banana Toss. It's in the description of this video, the link for it, but it's the game, it's my actual first commercial published game, and I just love it. It's such a fun game. Yo, what's up, Callum? I hope you're doing good, man. Same. I lost an interest in game dev, though. Now I feel like getting back into it. It's just been hard to find motivation and to push myself. Yo, dude, I 100% get what you're saying, man. You get lost. I'm currently I have a gaming team, or sort of a gaming society, a gaming club. What do we call this, guys? We call it the Northmen, because we're all from a place which starts with North. And basically, there's a bunch of us in there where we all stream. It's like a streaming community on Discord. And we're going to make a game with all the characters, the main people from the Northmen team, where you can choose those characters with special abilities and battle. That's going to be a fun one. It's obviously not something we're going to publish and make paid or anything. It's just going to be one we make, so it's fun for other people to use. I think it'll be kind of cool. Only problem is I can't play it. HTML is a bit weird to work with. Do you prefer game or web dev? Personally, I prefer game development for... as in for fun, and like I enjoy it more as a hobby. But from a career point of view, I think it have to be web dev, just because it's easier and quicker to produce. I mean, if money wasn't an issue, game dev all day, every day. But if money is an issue, then web dev. You know how it is. All trailers. Yes, Jimmy, I'm working on a couple of trailers. Well, a few similar trailers for Dylan, because you know he needs those good promos, man. He needs those promos. But yeah, what games have you guys been playing? Like, I've been just playing Minecraft, because Minecraft is the only game I really enjoy. It's still one of the best indie games that has ever been released, and it is, in my opinion, the best indie game that was ever released, and it's still popular today. I'm just saying. Minecraft all day. Yes, Sonny. See, everyone knows. Northmen realm. Yes, the Northmen have their own Minecraft realm, which we play on daily, so it's crazy. It's crazy. What's Jeff? Oh, my first video is touring my Minecraft base. Yeah, I think I'm pretty sure one of mine was as well, when I made a video back in the day on a different channel. The realm. Paladins, Fortnite, Bleach, and Brave Souls. Oh, Bleach, Brave Souls, sorry. Fortnite and Paladins. Paladins is is it like a 6v6, isn't it? I think I've played it before. I like that game. I think if I remember correctly, I like that game. Fortnite is, I used to like it. I don't anymore. I just don't play it. But people got too good at the game, and then I was left behind, so. Bleach, Brave Souls, I haven't heard of that. That sounds interesting. I'm here to check if if D is present. I don't know if he is, but he'll probably be around in a minute, man. Web dev crew here. But yeah, no. What new games have come out recently, guys? Do you know any new ones? Which I literally haven't kept up with new game ones. What got you into web development? Well, long story short, I used to play Call of Duty, Modern Warfare 2. I really wanted to hack it, so I learned how to try and code and hack. But then I learned, obviously, I had to learn how to turn that into a career, because I had those skills. So I turned it from just hacking Call of Duty, because I wanted to, get an upper edge. That's cheating. I know we won't talk about that. But I then thought, let's turn it into web dev, and I learned how to do HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and bam, there you go. Here I am today. That's my story. That's a shortened version. Hitman 3. Oh yeah, Hitman came out. That looked amazing. Yo, what's up, X Gaming? How's it going, dude? Sunny Shadow. Oh yeah, Hitman 3. Hitman 3 is amazing. I love the Hitman series. I love the Hitman film. I love all the Hitman stuff. It's just so good. There's nothing about the Hitman that I don't like. I just started Unity, and you helped me a lot. Yo, dude, you are so welcome, man. This is what I'm trying to do, trying to help you guys learn how to create your own games, make your own fun things. At the same time, it's something more fun for me to do. That is some fine-looking beard, man. Thank you. It's been growing. It's a lockdown beard and a half. I mean, when lockdown ended, I shaved it. Well, not shaved it, I trimmed it, and now it's already back here within the second lockdown, or third, fourth. Which lockdown are we in anymore? I don't even know. It's just, what lockdowns have just merged into one to me. Same, thanks to your tutorials, my first platform is slowly coming out. You are welcome, dude. I can't do any more 2D platformer stuff because I lost the file, so I'm going to create a new series after the top-down shooter series and revisit the platformer because, you know, I lost it. How do you stay consistent with game dev? Any tips? So most of you probably know who Danny is, right? And I asked him this question on Twitter. You know what? I might even still have it. Let's quickly have a look. Oh, we're going dark quickly because I had to turn my light off. Where are we going? Where is he? Danny. Oh, did I delete it? Bro. Oh, I ain't got it. I asked him that exact question. How do you stay consistent? He said he just focuses. He sets himself a bunch of tasks in his task manager. I can't remember what he said he used. I think it was either Trello or something like that. And basically he says it's not fun, but you have to just get your mind into it. Break it down as simple as possible and get through it. So for me, that's a similar thing. So for web dev, I will break it all down into the different cards I need, different areas. I will build it, pull it together, and then just basically just focus on each task individually. And every single small task, the smaller your tasks, the easier they are to achieve, the more you'll want to complete more tasks and more tasks and more tasks, and then bam, you'll be there. My mic sounds really funny all of a sudden. I don't know if that's just me or maybe my mic's been quiet. Let me know if it has changed. Yes, he's one of my favourites. Yeah, exactly. So yeah, I spoke to him. It was a while ago, to be fair. It's probably why the message has been deleted. But yeah, he gave me a couple of tips on how he does it as well, which I thought was interesting. I should have really saved those messages because then I could have shared it with you guys. But yeah, yes, he's one of my favourites. Tyler for Prime Minister. I don't know if I would be Tyler for Prime Minister, but that would be cool. Have you participated in any game jams? I have. I've participated in a couple, but I've never finished a game in a game jam. I always have half-finished games because I make too big of a scope for my game. Out by half past. Tyler for King. I mean, Tyler for God. Can we take that up a level? I tried 3D, but it was too hard, so I quit. 3D. Once you've got the hang of 2D, 3D is just one more dimension, so it gets a lot easier. You sound fine to me. Good. I'll just stick with 2D. Yeah, I mean, you can stick with 2D. I mean, definitely stick with 2D to start with. Dylan coming in with the loading emojis. I don't know if that means he's got a thing, but, you know. Too much, a bit much. What do you mean, Jimmy? I am God. You guys don't even know it. Don't let my ego fall, Jimmy. I can't get enough of Pepsi, man. I have a Pepsi addiction at the minute. But yeah. Any other questions you guys have, guys, or if there's any game dev topics or whatever you guys want to talk about, let me know. I mean, there's so many different game dev things we can talk about. No, you're a top man. Thanks, Jimmy. I've been switching between 3D and 2D. Yeah, I tried out 3D. I want to make a multiplayer game. Just a small one, just so I can see if I can do it easily, because I've never actually made a proper free multiplayer game. So I set up some networking, which worked, but a bit buggy, a bit laggy. I don't know if that was just because of my connection or whatever, but yeah, it wasn't the greatest. So I want to get into it and proper set it up to work really well. So what's planned for the Northman game? Think I missed that. So basically, Jimmy, I'm going to create a game with every character from the Northmen. And basically, each of us will have our own special ability. And with those special abilities, we'll do like a battle arena sort of thing, like a top-down shooter game where you all use your special abilities, just as a fun little 2D sort of shooter game. I'm not even sure yet, Jimmy. I'm just trying to get it set up. Same, I also want to try making a small multiplayer game. Yeah, just saying small, like just either a simple shooter or just like a simple one where you can at least see the other players' movements. Where do you think your skills will be in 2 years? I'm hoping in business. I want to start, there's a few things I want to do. I want to set my own studio sort of system where people can come in, record things, make some YouTube videos with their own like setups. I want a gaming rig set up. And I also want to be able to make some video games. Obviously, I want to, let's say in 2 years, here's where I want to be rather than my skills. I want to own 2 businesses or 1 business, but 2 sectors. I want to have a whole web development system and I want a whole gaming system. So the gaming system will be with all all the game dev, streamers and stuff like that, all built on networking. And then also with the web dev stuff, it's all to do with my web dev tutorials on my other channel, and basically build up that portfolio as well, because obviously I want to make sure I'm keeping this channel up to date, and I want to make sure I'm keeping my other channel up to date. So I want to be able to have a studio, a place where I can do that without having to do it in my home office, because my home office has not got great sound quality. Like Pong sounds fun. Yeah, like Pong. Pong's a good idea for a starting multiplayer game. That's a good idea. Maybe I'll start with that. Eduardo, hi man, how's it going? Bro, the way you are grinding out now, I can imagine you will smash the goals. You're above and beyond. Yo, thanks, Jimmy. What type of category is marketable right now, in your opinion? I want to get back into making games, but I want to do something way more profitable than I have before. Mobile gaming, dude. I think iOS game, if you're going to make a game and you want to make a bit of money from it, iOS, and you need to be able to put in a proper marketing. You need to put marketing on different ads. Instagram is a great place to put your game ads, and just stuff like that. Facebook and Instagram are great places to put your ads out on. Do that, and then build a mobile game, put some ads in that game, and then pay for ads to promote your game, and then it should hopefully rank up and get better. It's hard to really work out. My game barely makes any money because I don't promote it. And it's not on iOS. I hear if you pull it on iOS, it'll make 5 times the amount or 10 times the amount Android does. How did you find out the code to make games? I learned how to code before I learned how to use Unity and stuff. So I kind of just knew how to do it when I got there, because it's just logic. If you think about it, coding a website and coding a game, the only difference is how you implement it, not how you code it. You code the same, you just depends on how you implement it. So the only thing you have to change is the implementation. So for example, instead of me making a scrolling banner, right, something moving across the screen for my website, in a game scenario, I just make a background move as you run, or your player move, you move the player across the screen, sort of thing like that. It's kind of the same kind. Obviously, it's not the same. Game development is a lot harder, but it's definitely different. Hi, Sil Bricks. I'm gonna call you Bricks. It's easy to pronounce. Hi. Sunny said mobile and web games are surprisingly popular. Yes, they are. Web games. I haven't played a web game in a long time, other than Google Down Dinosaur, because every time I lose internet connection, I have to play it. But yeah, no, mobile games are so popular right now, and especially when everyone's in lockdown. If you're gonna release a game, do it now. Build a game, release it now before people are out of lockdown. I never made a character, so I just keep a square, circle. I don't have Photoshop. I just keep a square or circle. I don't have Photoshop. Yeah, I mean, you don't need characters. You don't need to have drawn a character. You can make a game from shapes or whatever you want, and people will still play that game as long as it's fun. But if you want to really publish to a bigger market, then you are going to need to learn, not Photoshop. You don't need Photoshop. You can use, there's something called GIMP 2.0, or it's maybe 3.0 by now. I don't know what version it is, but there's GIMP, which allows you to do exactly the same stuff as Photoshop, just for free. It's slightly different in how it works, and it might be a little less quality, but it works. You can also get, there's loads of different tools. Like even MS Paint, you can build your assets in MS Paint, especially 2D. If you're building 3D, you've got Blender, which is completely free and one of the best tools out there. It's free. I use Photoshop Cracked. Well, there you go. You can also do that. I don't recommend it. And it is in web. Mr. Swagger with a little emoji there. Do you have advice for me, because I don't know how to make a game and I'm looking where to start? Dude, have a look into Unity. Unity is so easy to get started and everyone's on it right now. Get into Unity, look at how you would, depends on what type of game, if 2D or 3D, have a look into different things. Unity have great documentation for their stuff. You can go and check out how to do anything just by Googling it. Literally, just make a game, go to Unity, learn the interface, then type in Google how to make a 2D platformer, or how to make a top-down shooter, or how to make a game like Flappy Bird, or anything. Type in anything and you will get results for it, how to make it in Unity. It's there. The resources are there, and dude, just keep trying, keep pushing, learn the documentation, you'll get there. When I use your movement story, it would just turn upside down and wouldn't be able to jump back. Then I had I had no idea to constrain the Z-axis. Yeah, sorry, dude. I don't know what happened. I don't know if I accidentally cut that part of my video out or people have just been missing it. I don't remember. I haven't checked back on it. But I have got a lot of comments like that. I just have to keep saying constrain the Z-axis. Sorry, I must have missed this out. I don't remember that I missed it out. But yeah, I probably accidentally cut it out of the video instead. But yeah, you are supposed to just constrain the X-axis. So if you spin on your head, you don't get stuck. Okay, thanks. You can do a full game from tutorials. You can literally build a full game from tutorials, and you can build a full unique game from tutorials as well by just mixing it up, taking something from one element of a game and pulling it in another. Hello Mr. Beast Gamer, how's it going, dude? The most I've ever made of a game is $80. Should I feel proud of? I mean, I've made $1.30, so yes, you should feel proud, and I'm proud of my $1.30, so don't take that away from me. That is at least made some money off it. I beat myself up, feel like game was not enough. Dude, mate, $80 is $80. If it's one of your first games, especially, like you've already beat most people. Most people don't make any money from games. Can you do a randomization tutorial, random asset placement? What, like say spawn a random enemy over there, spawn it like in just random places, or what? What do you mean? Or asset placement? Do you mean like procedurally generated? As in, like, generating your environment? What do you mean? I assume it's one of the latter. Okay. Guys, if you haven't already, don't forget to like this video. A like will help me just know that you're enjoying the stream and stuff like that. We've only got a couple of minutes on this video because I've only got half an hour today for my lunch because I'm going to have to go get actual lunch. But yeah, when I tried to make my first game, I used your tutorial because it was way more simple than Bracky's one. I love Bracky's. I actually love his stuff, but I know he's not here anymore, so I will take his place, guys. I promise. I will make quality content when I get round to making it. But no, I'm thanks for that, dude. I'm happy it's simple. I tried to make things as simple. So I actually watch people's tutorials like Bracky's and stuff like that. And then I will take what they've done and try and simplify it, or at least explain it in a different way so people can understand. Because I find that way some people can learn a lot better from just a different view, a different way of doing it. Random enemy / wall placement. Yeah, that's cool. We can have a look into some randomization, dude. I'm happy to do that. I've been following your 2D platform too, and I just wanted to say thank you for it. Keep it up. Keep up the awesome work. Yo, thank you, Matt Webb. I appreciate that, dude. Like that. Which engine would you pick for the beginner, Unity, and Godot? Ooh, beginner, Unity or Godot? Or Unity, because I think Unity can scale a lot bigger. Godot is great. Don't get me wrong. Godot is great. I've used it before, but I use Unity a lot more, so I'm kind of biased. But Unity is great. I think it's a good platform. I think you should definitely use that over Godot, in my opinion. Yeah, it's the best I can say, really. Yeah, when is the Bracky's Game Jam? I don't know, but you can check out on itch.io. I'm normally there. Yo, Badger, what's up, bro? What's the odds you do my uni project? Hi, by the way. Love you, Badger. I mean, send me the details. I'll help you out. I don't mind. You're in the Northmen team. You're in all my things. How are you everywhere? But you never speak. You gotta talk more, Badger, man. I recommend Unity. So do I. Bracky's doesn't upload anymore. What happened? I think they got to a point where they're happy with what they've completed and what they've done, and he finally found that he needs to move away from it. I think he either burnt out or... I did notice towards the end he was missing, because he was every Sunday, wasn't he, at 6 p.m. or something like that. But he was missing videos. He was like, sorry, there's not going to be a video this week. There's not going to be a video this week. I think he just got to a point where he couldn't do it anymore, which is understandable. I get it. He might be back, though. It might not be the end of him. I think he's focusing on... I think he's still doing game dev related stuff anyway, so... but... Thanks for all the help. He quit. Everyone's saying he quit. Basically, he quit. What do you mean Bracky's not here anymore? Oh, God, no. He's not dead. He's not dead. He's definitely not dead. This Sunday. Unity can do 2D too. Exactly. Can do 3D and 2D. He quit. What? As great as Unity is, it's a very big program to get started with. It is. Yeah, true. I don't know. I still think I started with Unity, so I don't know. I found it quite easy once I got into it. Obviously, I watched a lot of tutorials first and looked at the documentation. Once you understand what it is and how to use it, you can get around using it pretty easily. Okay, I have to go. So do I, Beamy. Okay. How do you deal with loss of motivation and momentum? Remember why you started, and then remember what you're aiming for. Just think, that's why you always got to make a small project first. Once you complete each tiny milestone, so make sure you break down your project into tiny milestones. And once you've got those tiny milestones complete, you'll give that sense of success, that sense of doing, completing. And you're like, awesome, okay, I've got it. It's awesome, I've got this done. Now it's time to move on to the next point. But anyway, guys, that's the last one I'm going to do. I've got to quit the stream. I've got to end this stream. I've enjoyed doing it. I hope you have too. I've got to go. Love your videos. Dude, thank you very much. I appreciate it. 28 people in here at one point, guys. That is insane. That's the most I've had on this channel so far. But thank you all for tuning in. If you've enjoyed, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button if you are new around here. And I will see you in my next video or stream. Take care, everyone.